How to place an order on Shein app. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. You will land to the shop page. Now head towards any of the item that you want to purchase. After you select the item, select the details of that item, such as color and size. After you select it, click on the option Add to Cart. After you are done with adding items to the cart, at the top right, you will find this cart icon. Click on it. In this page, you're going to find all the items that you have added to cart to make a purchase. Now click on the option of checkout. With that, you will land to the order confirmation page. Firstly, you have to add your shipping address. After you do that, you have to select your shipping method. And then you have to select your payment method. Likewise, if you have any voucher, points or gift card, you can type in over here. And then scroll down. And over here, you can find the price details. After you fill all these, you can click on the option of place order. Now over here you have to provide your payment details. Likewise, you can check your billing address. And here is the detail of your product. After you check all this, you can click on the option of place order. With that, you have just placed an order on Shein app. So this is how you can easily place an order on Shein app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.